Today we are going to start a new chapter that is more about water. In previous lesson we have seen in where does water come from. In that we have seen different sources of water, water bodies, landforms, surface water, underground water, its uses, and all the things related to the water, like as how to store the water, water harvesting and all. In this lesson we are going to see again more information about the water. First is properties of water. If you see a pure water, you will not get any taste, no smell and no color also. So we can say pure water has no smell, no color and no taste. So as we have seen, pure water has no color, no taste and no smell. Here two new terms are there, that are transparent and opaque. In this one experiment you have to do is take one candle and light it. If you hold any cardboard in front of the candle, you are unable to see the candle light. But instead of candle, if you are holding any glass, then clearly you can see the candle. So the things, if you can see through it, a substance, it is said to be transparent. So transparent means, now as we have seen in glass, if you hold the glass in front of the candle, you can see clearly the candle throughout the glass. It means we can say glass is transparent. Same way, what you can do is, if you hold the water, if you fill the water in the glass and candle is in front of that glass, so you can see the candle through that water also. So we can say water is also transparent. So what is meant by transparent? Let us see the definition. If you can see through a substance, it is said to be transparent. For example, glass, water, spectacles, window pane, etc. Here examples has given. Even bulb, from the bulb light you will get, so that bulb is also transparent. Glass, magnifying glass, so these are the examples. So through these substances we can see the next thing which is present behind of that. So that's why these are the transparent. Next is opaque. Opaque means if you can't see through a substance, it is said to be opaque. Now as I have told you in that experiment, in front of the candle, if you are holding cardboard, then you are unable to see the candle. So that's why cardboard is called as opaque. So the same way, wood, brick, building, even the examples which has given here, banana, dice, the glass full of milk, colored glass, ball, so these are also examples of opaque. So we have seen transparent, opaque. Transparent means which you can see through it, opaque which you cannot see, and translucent means if you can see partially through a substance, it is said to be translucent. Means through these objects you can't see very clearly, and you can see just some part of it, just partially. Okay. For example, sunglasses, the glasses which we use to protect from the sunlight, that glasses are also example of translucent. And even the lamp also, here are also some examples has given. These are the examples of translucent. Now we can say that water has no smell, no color, no taste. It is about the pure water, and pure water is also transparent. As you can see here, glass of water has given, and behind of that grass is present, so you can see very clearly that grass through that water also. So in this way you can say water is transparent. So this is the next page. As we have seen, pure water has no color, no smell, no taste, and it is transparent. Now our second experiment is, what you have to do, take two plates. In one plate you have to add flour, any flour. So when you will add flour, it will make a heap, and when you will add a water in second plate, it just spread. So this we have done by using plates. So the same flour you will add in glass, then in glass also flour will make a heap. But if you add water in the glass, then water will take the shape of the glass. By this experiment, what we can say is water takes the shape of the container. When we have added water in the plate, water takes the shape of the plate, and when we have added water in a glass, water took the shape of the glass. From this experiment, we can say that water doesn't have its own shape. So what happens whenever you are adding water in one bucket or bowl, plate, so water will take the shape of that particular container. So water does not have a shape of its own, that's why it spreads when it spills on the floor. Suppose you spill some water on the floor, so obviously it will flow down. So in this way we can say that water spreads on the floor and it takes the shape of the container, and from the slope water flows down. Thank you.